This isn't a farm. It's a high-performance production facility where speed is engineered and champions are built with precision. Behind glass and steel walls, every movement is calculated, every heartbeat measured, every stride analyzed. These aren't just horses. They're million-dollar athletes, refined, not raised. From biometric labs tracking muscle response in real time, to conditioning halls where synchronized treadmills build explosive power. From precision nutrition systems to data centers monitoring every pulse, every microsecond of progress, nothing is left to chance. Training runs like an assembly line. Recovery is engineered. Perfection isn't hoped for, it's manufactured. Every second is intentional. Every detail designed. This isn't traditional farming. This is the system behind racing royalty. And today, you're stepping inside.
Easy now, big fella. He's a bit stubborn today. Come on, let's go. That's it. Good boy.
Vitals are stable. Good boy, easy now.
Leg looks better today.
Confirmed, updating the log.
Heart rate is steady. Vitals are good.
Good, he's ready for turnout.
Get the gate. This Bale Spa grade cows will be yogoing. Another load down, buddy. Lunch in 5? You bet. Weight is spot on for this batch.
Confirmed, the system is logging it.
Good. Ready for the next one.
Initiating now. This robot's spoiling them more than we ever did. It's twins.
Results look good. Run the next batch.
Understood, loading it now.
Well, that's not supposed to dance like that. No, it's alive.
No way. Let me see.
Matrix is confirming the lineage. Proceeding with extraction.
Starting compressions, get ready.
Compressions initiated.
Good, maintain rhythm, check the airway.
Airway is clear.
You've got this, tiny dancer. Control to Mobile 1, report to Pasture Force North, possible perimeter breach. Copy that, Mobile 1, maintain visual and report back. Control, we've got movement in Pasture 1. A foal is at the fence, it's nudging it. Wood splintering, distant whinnies echoing.
Hot enough for you? Yeah. Yeah, plenty hot.
They're off. Bay leader is leading.
Copy that. Watching for inside moves. Track's heavy. Times are slower.
Noted. Keep monitoring. Ladies, it's go time. Let's make some magic.
Race-ready attitude. Good pace. Vitals look stable. Confirmed. Heart rate is 120. Gotcha.
This one is ready for the next horse. Got it. I'll finish this saddle. Need the cleaner? Yes, please. This one's gonna shine. Yeah, suds are flying. Race day ready. Teamwork makes it happen. Best crew ever.
Speed is holding at 41.7. Angles look good.
Good. Watch the rear leg torque.
It's stable, no spikes. Look at that stride, record breaker.
On it. Accelerating the model. Race 4 is heating up. Look at that pace.
Yes, the odds are shifting. I'm updating the model.
Good call.
He's got it. That's looking golden. Easy now, boy. You're all set. Vitals are stable. He's clear.
Confirmed. Gate 3.
Good boy.
All right, easy now. Step down.
Scanner clear. Stall B12 is ready.
Copy that. Moving to B12. Whoa, someone's full of beans today.
Heart rate and temperature are normal. Good. Check the legs for swelling.
He seems fine, just a bit restless.
Okay, clear to proceed. And easy, champ. Save it for the track. He's feeling good today. Easy now, Silva. Looking strong.
He's ready. Feels good. All right, jockey up.
Got it. We're off. Here we go. You've got this. Easy now. Good boy. Steady. All right, big guy. Ready for the big show? Vitals are stable. Let's check the rhythm.
He's calm, holding steady.
Good. I'll listen to the heart. This guy's heart is racing like he's plotting a derby escape.
A stubborn heart for sure. All right, let's get a nice walk. Got it. Panning to follow.
Good extension. He's moving well. Easy, champ.
That's it. Good boy.